What has 2020 taught us? When I ask someone about the year 2020, people sometimes really get angry and they say they are in a fix and are very doubtful of their future. Some say it's the worst year of their life, and some say it's the God's curse on the world to stop the cruelty of human beings on Mother Nature. But what has 2020 really taught us? Is that about our health? Is that about our cleanliness? Is that about the destructive nature that the humans are proclaiming towards the other species on Earth? Well, I must say everything. 2020 and the following years will be a decade of caution for all the human beings. We must understand the basics of life on Earth and spread the awareness to live and let live. To be frank, we are the selfish creatures on Earth. We are the last to come and first to leave the earth due to our own greediness. Why this selfishness? Why this greed between one and other nations? What is the use? Well, we live on earth for an average of 60 to 70 years. If we still continue the same things, then cruelty on every being on earth will explore, and someday humans may come to a point of extinction. No one in this earth is greater than Mother Nature. If we protect her, she'll definitely protect you. But we are so reluctant to do that because we enjoy destructing everything. Well, I still remember the role of Pakshiraj in the movie 2.0. He fought for the birds and tried to awake humans, but in turn, what he got was his death. Nobody literally listened to him. That was just an example of how good humans are being treated in this society. Now, finally, the time has come to us to realize the mistake we did and must stop doing it now. That's the only thing we can do. Do something before you leave Earth. If you couldn't do anything, please don't do bad at least. Save Earth, or else we may face more problems in future than we are facing now and all the time. Science and technology may have reached Moon, Mars, and solar system, but Mother Nature is superior to one and all. No one can stand against her. We must avoid disturbing the food chain and start planting trees in your lenience time. In the future, there will be a time when you don't really have a drop of water to drink, and people may just declare wars to have the adequacy of water. Days are not so far. Realize now and act immediately. Jai Hind.